Hello everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about an important topic, a topic which is close to my heart, sustainability. Some of you must have heard of Dr. Reddy's inclusion in the Dow Jones Sustainability Index. This is a huge recognition for us, especially coming from India, and hence it's all the more important to be recognized as a manufacturing organization, to be part of the Dow Jones Sustainability Index from the emerging markets. As you know, sustainability has three dimensions to it: people, planet, and profit. Today, let me talk a little bit about the planet. Sustainability has been at the heart of everything we do from the very beginning. And of course, our commitment to environment has always been very strong, right from the early 90s. In 2009, along with a group of other important companies in India, we signed a very public commitment. The commitment relates to our performance for the next 10 years till to 2020 in the areas of energy conservation, water, and hazardous waste. And we made two commitments in each of these areas, and I want to talk about them today to you. Let me first focus on energy. We made a public commitment on energy to reduce the specific energy usage, to reduce it by 5% every year till 2020, and effectively reducing the total energy that we consume today, the specific energy, by 40%. The other commitment that we made on energy is to use renewable energy and to add 2.5% or replace 2.5% of the energy that we generate today from non-renewable sources to renewable sources. And this way, we will, in the next 10 years, we will replace 25% of our energy consumption from renewable sources. Even on renewable energy, we've had a huge boost by replacing coal with biomass, and that accounts for almost 10+% of our energy consumption today. We've also started adding solar capacity, and today I think between solar and biomass, about 13 to 15% of our energy comes from renewable sources. On both the fronts, we have made significant progress, and we are ahead of the curve from where we should have been according to our plan. So this is really good, and I hope we continue to be on this path and exceed our commitments by the year 2020. The next is water. In terms of commitments here, we again committed to reduce our water consumption about 5% every year, leading to about 40% by the year 2020. Here also we are well ahead of our target, thanks to some very interesting recycling efforts, conservation efforts, and other measures that the plants have taken. Especially CTO5 has done a wonderful job of recycling enormous amount of water. The next commitment with regard to water is about becoming water neutral by the year 2020. It means that we actually harvest rainwater to an amount equal or greater than the amount of water that we consume. On this particular measure, we are a little behind. As you know, our factories are fully covered and the scope for harvesting water is limited. So we have taken this one step ahead and looked at all the properties that we have and the lands which we are not utilizing, and are starting to put rainwater harvesting in every part of our properties. The third commitment is regarding the generation of hazardous waste and how the hazardous waste will be dealt with. Of course, we are doing a lot of waste minimization, upscaling of the hazardous waste that we generate and all of that, but there was no quantified metric for this, but we are making progress in the reduction of the generation of hazardous waste at the source itself by improving our processes, designing our processes to be green processes, and also efficient management of our processes. The other commitment which we made is to reduce the amount of hazardous waste that we send to incineration or landfill every year up to a cumulative number of about 30% till 2020. On this metric, I'm happy to announce that we have done a wonderful job of taking our wastes and connecting them to cement plants, and our waste actually become a source of fuel for the cement plants, or in a way upcycling the waste into a valuable resource for the cement industry. And I'm happy that we are making such great progress on this that I've reset the goal for this hazardous waste category. We now want to be zero discharge to landfill or to incineration of any hazardous waste we generate anywhere in the organization. And this we are well on our way to achieve, and we will do it well before 2020. We should all be proud about our performance in the areas of sustainability. And I hope you are as energized as I am in looking at the wonderful results we have achieved, and commit yourself to be on this journey of continuous improvement of our environmental performance. When I go on my wildlife trips, I feel very sad about the destruction that is happening to the world today. Each of us can make a difference, and we all need to preserve the planet, the only planet that we have.